Hello and welcome to Regrow Tech India. I'm your host, Durre Nayab, bringing to you yet another episode on the Java Beginners Interview Series. So, for today's episode, we are going to do yet another program from the Fibonacci series, or rather, a different version of it, right? So, if you have watched my previous video, we have discussed about what the Fibonacci series is and how to get the Fibonacci series printed to a certain nth number. Now, for today's program in this episode, we are going to do yet another pattern programming, or rather the same Fibonacci series, but the question will be a teeny bit different. So let's see what question I'm talking about and then find a solution to it. Now, in the Fibonacci series, we need to print the series till a given number of series. So the last one we wanted to print till the nth term, right? So if let's say the series is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. In the last class, or in the last episode, we said that print up till 7th term. So this was the 7th term, right? And we said n is going to be equals to 7, right? And therefore, in the for loop, we started the for loop from int I equals 3, the third term, till the 7th term, I is less than equals to n, I plus plus. And then we, write our code. Here, however, the question is a little bit different. The question is that we need to print a number till a given number. So let us say we have to print up till 5. So 5 will be given and we have to print up till 5. It is not the 5th term. We have to print till 5. As soon as we reach 5, we are good. Right? And that's your program. So let's go ahead and write the code and see how we can go about it. So I'm going to make changes in the previous code that I've written in the last episode. And if you can see this code, you will see that we have basically taken our first two variables a and b, which will have the first two terms, 0 and 1. That will be printed. Then we have taken int n equals to 7. This time, we may not need it because we are not going to print up till the nth term. Instead, we are going to say which term we need. So we'll say int term. Let us say I want to print up till 5 only. Okay, so one thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to simply change the condition for this one. And I'm going to say start the I equals to 3, but the loop will run till the time sum is less than term. Why haven't I written sum is less than equals to term? I will just let you know in a bit. First, let us see if we get the right value. Okay, so let's go ahead and run it. We said the term is 5, it should print up till 5 and we are happy for that. If I change this term to 13, this will also be the case. We'll get up till 13. Now the reason as to why we are not giving equals to sign is simply because when sum is already equals, again it will go ahead and it will give you the next value also. Let me write it and show you. Save it. See, after 13, the term we wanted to get up till 13 only, but since we have written equals to, we are getting up till 21 instead of 13. So we are going one more step forward. That's the reason why we don't take the term. Now, the only thing changed here is I did not write the condition basis on I. Instead, I wrote the condition basis on the sum. Till the time sum is less than term. As soon as it becomes equal, meaning it should not go inside and print the number again because it has already been printed in the previous cycle, right? I've already done the dry run of this particular code. You can try doing the dry run for this code by checking the sum in the condition instead of checking the I value, right? Try doing the dry run on your own, and I will see you in the next video. If you liked this one, hit that like button and subscribe. Have a great day ahead.